Oh well, here I am. Day 5 of riding of the Great Vic Bike Ride 2017. And what a killer. Oh my god. I am not Alberto Contador, but I had to channel him earlier. I've just left the lunch stop. I am 61 k's in, ready, making cracking time this morning. It's like 9:44. Today's route was Barinsdale to Maffra. I haven't really had a chance to video because I've been in amongst a bunch of people and on highways, but this road's closed. It's pretty cool. Got a little bit of energy back, but some brutal hills. Just rolling, like a roller coaster. Yeah, so took me a while to flush the lactic acid out of my legs from yesterday, I think. Yesterday was a rest day. So, whew, pretty much riding my own today. I was going to leave with someone else, but got up early, so just got going. It was also meant to be hot, so wanted to avoid that. So a little bit more of a sports performance day today. Stopped to take a couple of photos. It's some beautiful potato country and patchwork kind of crop farms I went through just outside of Barinsdale in Linden now. And it's looking like now there's more downhill than uphill, which is what I remembered from the route profile, but far out. I was riding so slow at one of them, 8 k's or something. I thought I was going to roll down backwards. Some of the scenery. See if we can get me in shots. Be a bit tricky. Not very good view. Woo! Yeah! So, third last day riding. 5-day crew have left. I left yesterday. And some new friends who made. But it's great. Very social. Rode out with Kilda Cycling Club one morning. Now